It is not currently possible to bring someone back from the dead in the sense of restoring them to their previous state of consciousness and bodily function. When someone dies, their brain cells begin to die within minutes, and after a few hours, the brain is irreparably damaged. This damage is irreversible with current technology. However, there are some technologies that could potentially be used to revive people who are in a state of clinical death, which is a state where the heart and breathing has stopped but the brain cells are still alive. For example, cardiopulmonary resuscitation, CPR, and defibrillation can be used to restart the heart and breathing, and hypothermia therapy can be used to slow down the metabolism of the brain cells and preserve them for longer. There is also ongoing research into developing new technologies that could be used to revive people who have been declared clinically dead. For example, some scientists are working on developing devices that could be implanted in the brain to provide electrical stimulation and prevent the death of brain cells. Others are working on developing drugs that could be used to protect the brain from damage during and after clinical death. It is important to note that all of these technologies are still in the early stages of development, and it is unclear when or if they will be available for clinical use. Additionally, it is important to note that even if these technologies are successful, it is unlikely that they will be able to revive people who have been dead for more than a few hours. Overall, it is not currently possible to bring someone back from the dead in the sense of restoring them to their previous state of consciousness and bodily function. However, there is some ongoing research into developing new technologies that could potentially be used to revive people who are in a state of clinical death. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content.